The way in which forms and conventions were developed in relation to real media products, such as the film Unknown, was through the use of flashbacks. Flashbacks are commonly used in romance genre-based films to provide an insight into a narrative between characters by reminiscing about their past times together. The scene itself is repetitively shown throughout the teaser trailer as a constant reminder whilst demonstrating the importance of the scene. The use of a faded wash look as an effect placed on top of the flashback scene in The Unknown allows the audience to instantly understand that it's a flashback. Our media product of separation uses convention by placing an indie red colour over our flashback scene, using both the bleach, bypass and romantic effect on Final Cut Pro to enhance the concept of it being a flashback, therefore highlighting to the audience the relationship of the characters in the flashback form. Here, when comparing the two scenes side by side, clear comparisons can be made as our film separation follows the convention displayed by Unknown. When it comes to flashbacks, the effects used are very similar in displaying a surreal feeling differing from the other scenes in the trailer. Although aspects were allowed when replicating our flashback scene, some of the forms and conventions were also changed. For example, we altered the speed of the clip by fast-forwarding the scene to show how time is manipulated when he takes the drugs. One of the sub-genres of thriller is a psychological thriller, being typically based around the concepts of crime, murder, more importantly drug use and insanity. One of our inspirational trailers was of Drugstore Cowboy, where the conventions of drug use and crime were used. We challenged the way drug use was used in our teaser trailer by combining the conventions of the genre of romance alongside this convention of thriller. In Drugstore Cowboy, blurred effects were created to express their drug use to the audience. When using the blurred effect, it suggests unclarity and uncertainty similar to what we use to illustrate the impact of drug use on our character and his emotions in many of our scenes. The element of time was strongly manipulated, challenging the conventions of a romance genre-based film, where scenes are typically shown in soft fades and slow pace. We altered time by speeding scenes up, such as the clock scene, which links with the way in which Requiem for a Dream altered time. Therefore, sticking to the conventions of a psychological thriller genre conducted by Requiem for a Dream, though challenging the conventions set by the romance genre.